This is my presentation, Electronic Communication in Healthcare. My name is Muhammad Rafi Putra Bani, NPM 2138010 with Prayogi 213801002. Building pharmaceutical service using electronic communication. Initiating service involve email communication with patient or with doctor. Provider need a true understanding of the proper use of email in field. Will the provider who is severally responsible for providing care to certain patient can consult and share personal information from the patient doing so electronical windows of email more safer and appropriate. Precision that need be considered in establishing pharmaceutical gas service that use email for communication abroad. Number 1, email cannot be used for urgent or time-sensitive communication. May not immediately read message to give time. Patient shall be instructed in advance about when they shall call to upon call to their pharmacy, upon call to their doctor, a visit to their doctor, or to call 911. Number 2, email message containing a patient PHI require password protection for computer, encryption, and authentication in the transmission of patient information. Regular email service are not sufficient for PHI protection. Number 3, consultation via email with the patient shall take place in the context of an established therapeutic relationship with direct contact. Number 4, email communication with the patient or provider becomes part of the patient's permanent medical record communication and pharmaceutical part the patient's treatment profile. Number 5, patient must provide with consent for the use of email information patient communication system security issues and appropriate versus inappropriate use of email can then be raised and patient understanding verified. Number 6, never forward patient identification information or email address to third parties. Even family members without the patient written permission. The American Medical Association (AMA) has developed guidelines for patient consent for us by patient setting up email service in patient care.
Informative work is to begin using email as of part tier patient care service should examine PC utilizing carefully. The information in the consent form should include: Number 1, consent sentence statement citing the plaintiff to use email communication and implied statement might be high with you use email other internet basis communication online interaction to for facilitate my respect of healthcare from name of pharmacy. Number 2, your message with email might not be used as emergency of outer team ethical tradition. Student uses as I understand set responses to email request but within period of time 24 hours. 2004 hours. I understand and that I will not use email in
Ada 2004.
immediately of
Padahal
outer
tulisannya 24 hari loh, Kak.
institution. Expand of identity station specific I to bend to condition for ideal be included. For participant with agenda for expire dan the content from my include interrupt to call 911 if any service of going I understand to agenda medical scan find the last job 20 minutes or more. Define a result with minimal activity. Surface correctness of blockage. Loss of nectarness. Use file grenade with included help. Author implant of time capital condition include bleeding on anticoagulants and interrelated 16 format with low blood pressure or passing out from on taking at beta blocker. Next. Boy, next malah tidur. Acceptable terms of email request for insert. Ini udah yang tadi punya lu, astagfirullah.
Belum.
Oh iya, ya udah.
Aduh, nyerah. Jadi udah gua potong aja. Tuh, 2, 3.
I separated types of email requests of interest at request for information about prescription of Liderata auto children. Accept or do receive request grant from multiple sources. Number 4. How in your pharmacy before staff has access to email and how can handle certain types of question of email request. For example, how will be our database to respond to draw information dan interests fresh requests product availability or fulfill request with request will only be handled by pharmacist and which on pharmacy of technical can handle. Number 5. Has to be credit for the certain online service. Compass and manager email messenger. Compassing ahead email and managing the email process integral to successful communication with patients, progress, doctor, and other celebrate.
Oh, next ya. Udah next.
Summary. For pharmacy to FI the full world instituted interstellar the most perfect to capitalize on open capital to
Banyak bener.
and electronic communication of this
Gue cuma berapa biji. Udah.
to will become an active part in professional planet dan professional communication. Pretest what answer to email.
Ngapain di Kabara?
To
Gue nanya sama dia, ngapain dia di Kabara?
conversation with your provide procedure. Email processes may be interest to pharmacy customer because of the pharmacy
Iya sama dia.
report and the ability to communication when perhaps hearing better. After it can